Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about shape of stab wound depends upon the edge of the weapon, shape of the weapon and width. Shape of stab wound depends upon edge of the weapon, shape of the weapon and width. The edge of the weapon, the edge of the weapon can be either single-edged weapon or double-edged weapon. In single-edged weapon, one angle will be sharp, whereas the other angle is blunt. And they are also called as triangular injury. Then we have double-edged weapon, where the wound is elliptical or spindle-shaped. Third, fork. Then we have shape of the weapon. If the shape of the weapon is like a fork, you will see 3 or 4 punctured wounds. If it is a screwdriver, you will see a slit-like stab wound. So these, based on the shape, edge and width of the weapon, the shape of the stab wound depends. Thank you and thank you for watching.